Ukondar ke sangma menjurang ba kejala habai kran bekla batai khubor ulong ba keseng NPP kala de penbana ya barok ki kerteng juga kertong ki banya kun hagani ke GHDC election bad bo naki kala de file ru nomination bar ke jimpan kre kala ya chaprang.
We have already announced all the candidatures, and most of them have already filed the nomination also. Our leaders, some of our leaders, in fact, after the House got over today, have also left for Garo Hills. So preparations are going on full swing, and candidates are working hard, party leaders are working hard, and we hope for the best.
Hablakali halor ke jingmi no jang bon kinang lam jik seng NPP shwa jik election ukondar ulong bakane gade ke aka ka bajuja but baro ki seng sign prathai hi kiman.
It's a normal and a natural situation which all political parties faced. So definitely you cannot give tickets to everybody, you cannot satisfy everybody. So in all parties, when the intending candidates don't get tickets, there's a tendency that some resign. So that happened in some cases, but in the NPP we were able to minimize a lot of that. But yes, some few individuals did resign.